Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on ZTE Blade V40s. And to do this, we'll need to open our RAR app. We've shown you previously on how to download this app. Then go for the DCIM camera, because that's where I packed my file last time. For you it might be somewhere else. Then click on this RAR app, RAR file. Click on the arrow pointing up. You'll enter extraction options. Here you can click on the browse as well to change the designation where to unpack these files. I want them in the movies folder. Also change any extraction options, but it's not necessary. Then click on OK and your files should be unpacked. Now let's manually navigate to the folder, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.